Hi friends, welcome to your Wins Lotto. Follow to win your Wins Lotto. Compulsory all friends share my post every day coming my post share. Okay, follow to everyday winning. Important news. Subscribe to joint WhatsApp group. Subscribe members only join to my WhatsApp group. Okay friends, share my post. Today date 2/7/2025. Today what guest number? Today guest number 290. Today guest number 290. Convert to 4D numbers. Okay, 4D numbers. Which purpose? Grand Dragon and Nine Lotto. Okay, main purpose 4D prediction. Okay, friends. Okay, let's go. Today, what formula? Today, formula only power numbers. Power numbers. Okay, friends. Today, formula power numbers. Which guess number? Which guess number? 920. Power number 9 power 4, 2 power 7, 0 power 5. Okay. Today important 4D number. Full video watching important number I will tell you. Okay friends, don't miss winning numbers. Number 1 2049. Number 2 2069. Number 3 2019. Number 4 2039. Number 5 2059. Number 6 2079. And the last one 2081. 2081. Okay. Today important number 4, 7 and 5. Today important number 4, 5, 7. Compulsory play to direct and iBox. Play direct and iBox. Compulsory play this number. Okay, 2049 and 2059. Last one 2079. Today main important number HE Grand Dragon and 9 Lotto. Okay friends, thank you for watching your Wins Lotto. Every day winning, don't miss. Compulsory all friends share my post. Subscribe to joint subscribe WhatsApp. Okay, thank you.